Hello, my name is Sophie Kim. I'm in the second grade at Asian Girls Middle School. I will speak about the importance of traditional knowledge and lessening the effect of desertification. Desertification is considered as one of the most serious environmental problems on Earth. Beforehand, I will tell you how severe it is. According to the EC Joint Research Center in 2018, desertification has already occurred in about 75% of the land mass. And it also expected to extend over 90% by 2050. You might think it isn't our problem because there is no desert in Korea. But that's totally not true. Every spring, we suffer from yellow dust that originates from China and Mongolia. Moreover, desertification causes loss of biodiversity, and it also leads to food shortage around the world. Now, I'd like to introduce a related interesting story to you. There was an ordinary man in Burkina Faso. His name was Yakuba Sato. His job was selling motorcycle parts. But he transformed about 20 hectares of wasteland into the most fertile soil in the region. How did he accomplish this amazing feat? This is a feat even the government was not able to do before. He used two traditional methods. One is a technique called cordon shear, which means lines of rocks. Sawadogo just placed the rocks in a row. Soon, raindrops on the ground gathered into the line, turned the dirt into fertile mud. Then plants started to sprout along the line. The other is Sai. Sawadogo dug holes during dry season. Each hole was 30 centimeters in diameter and 15 centimeters deep. During rainy season, the holes stored water. That's the traditional Zai method. But he improved the Zai with his own idea involving termites. He put organic fertilizer in the holes, which attracted termites. Termites digested the fertilizer, making the soil more productive. Rain is also absorbed along the termites' tunnels, allowing it to reach much deeper soil. Traditional knowledge has adapted to its specific area, so it is the most suitable knowledge for the region. The technique also should be easy and continuously to be practiced by common people. Therefore, in this case, traditional knowledge is more useful than complex high technology. Sometimes, simple traditional knowledge is more effective. Thank you for listening my presentation.